Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chili jam easy guide. Start by gathering fresh peppers, sugar, vinegar, garlic, and jars, then sterilize your equipment. Prep peppers by deseeding or leaving seeds for extra heat, and finely chop or pulse in a food processor. Cook peppers with sugar and vinegar until thick, then jar while hot and seal. I'll guide you through timing and flavor tweaks for the best results. Gather ingredients and tools before you start to keep the process smooth and relaxed. I recommend weighing sugar and vinegar with a kitchen scale for repeatable results, and choose peppers based on desired heat like jalapeno or bird's eye. Use a blender for a smooth jam or chop by hand for texture. Keep a thermometer handy to monitor simmering temperature and a clean counter space for jar filling. Cook the jam over medium heat, stirring frequently to prevent sticking and burning, and reduce until it reaches a glossy, spreadable consistency. Taste and adjust acidity or sweetness with small additions of vinegar or sugar, and cool a spoonful on a chilled plate to check the set. Fill jars hot, wipe rims, apply lids, and process in a boiling water bath for the recommended time to ensure a proper seal and shelf stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.